Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Photography Talk with Nisha. And today, what are we going to be talking about? We are going to be talking about if you're wanting to take your hobby photography into this business. So somebody has came to you and said, oh, okay, I like the way your camera take pictures. I like the way your camera take pictures. How about, you take some pictures of me or me and my family and we'll pay you. Okay. You took the job and there were some things there that you needed to have in place, I think, before you said yes to that job. So we're going to be talking about the business side. It's not the glamorous and glitzy side of the photography world. The business side is really important, but it's not so, fabulous and fancy. So we're going to talk about three things that I think, or three tools that I think will help you, guide you along the way. All right, so hold on. Okay, so first up, I think one of the tools that you really, really need is a website. You need to have your website. You need to have a host for your website. And for me, I use Squarespace. This is not sponsored. None of this is sponsored, okay? I pay for this. Now, if they want to sponsor me, that's fine. But none of this is sponsored, okay? None of it. I pay my own monthly fee subscription to each and every one of these tools. So Squarespace I use. And with Squarespace, they have different templates that you can use to build your website. Now, your website is like your baby. Social media is social media, and it's very fickle. It's not, is not sure. They don't know if they want TikTok or not, okay? You cannot trust them. You cannot trust Zuckerberg, whoever else owning these social media sites. You can't. So you need your own space. You need your own website. You need a place where you can have ownership of your own stuff. And you can build your community through your website and through your email list, through your clients. You can send out email campaigns. You can show your work, of course. People can learn about you as being a photographer in that about section of your website. You can book on your website, just having your own. So number 2, you need an online gallery. You need an online space where your clients can see their pictures, their sessions, and either you have, the sessions for them to go in and pick their pictures how they want to, or you show them in an online space, or, if you're doing in-person presentation, for them to choose the package that they want for their pictures. You need a space to house your gallery and your pictures. And for me, again, this is not sponsored. I use Pixieset. Others, I know they're shoot proof out there, and there are a lot of other online gallery host sites that you can use. But Pixieset has came a long way from when I first started using them. Before, you couldn't book on there, you couldn't send invoices on there, anything. But of course, you have to pay extra for all of those other things, but it's very convenient to have your gallery there for your clients to pick and choose, or you to show your clients. They can order extra prints there. They can see how it will look in different products. If they want an 8x10, a 10 by whatever size they want, if they want it on postcards, if they want it on greeting cards, whatever. Pixieset, you can do that all in that gallery. You can send invoices now. You can, if you want to. Like for me, even though I have my website through Squarespace and my booking is through Squarespace, I can still send invoices through Pixieset if my client wants, let's say, extra photos. If they want to purchase like 10 more photos, then I can send them an invoice through Pixieset of those 10. It is really good to have that online gallery space. All right. And you can do contracts through Pixieset now. You can send your contracts through there. It's just very convenient to have. something there for them to, see their pictures and see how the pictures will look on certain products. And I think a lot of these have like trial time periods where you can trial it for a certain amount of time and then decide if that's what you want to go with. So yeah, so that's number 2. Number three, this is the final one. And it's the editing software. Now, I use Adobe. I use the Adobe suite, which includes the Lightroom Classic, the Photoshop, and a whole bunch of other stuff in there that I don't really use, but is there. I give Adobe the side eye. I give her the side eye because I have a Mac and I use a Mac as my laptop. And their relationship is not good, okay? Their relationship has always been up and down, and I'm tired of it. I'm really tired of them going back and forth with each other. 1 minute, one is up. One has updates. The other one has not caught up yet. The other one's still here. The other one's still here. This one hadn't updated yet because they ain't talking to each other. They are not talking. They are not communicating. And I'm tired of being in this relationship. This relationship is bad. And I just stay with the relationship because it's just what I know. But I'm tired of being in it. So I am looking to upgrade to Capture One. I have been saying that for a couple of years now, but I am seriously, really seriously thinking about changing to Capture One. And there are other editing tools out there as well, not, just Adobe and Capture One. But I got to get out of this bad relationship with Adobe and Mac. I got to. But anyway, so yeah, editing. You have to get you some type of editing software. It is a need that you need to have if you're wanting to step this up and, become a little bit more professional. So yeah, those are the 3 things that I definitely think that you need if you want to take your hobby into a business. And it gets, making it a business sometimes sucks the fun out of being a photographer. So yeah, so those 3 things, your website, your online presence, your website, your gallery, online gallery, just a way to present your photos to your clients. And then 3, your editing, your software. If you've made it this far, I appreciate you. And of course, hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button, hit the comments, let me know, down below, what are some of your favorite, or the tools, what are some of the tools that you use in your business, on the business side of your photography? And what would you recommend to someone that's just starting out, or someone that's wanting to jump from it being a hobby to it more of a business? And of course, like and share, all right? And so, until next time, I'll talk to you then. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Period.